I don't even know what to say. It's just one of them videos where I'm like, am I actually filming this right now? Is this actually happening? You might be able to tell by the thumbnail and the title what this video might be about, or you might have no clue. Some of you might already know, if you do follow my Instagram, about my own clothing line. So basically, I have launched my own clothing line with a new fashion brand called Noticed. How this all came about, I found out about this, let me try and think. I found out about this last year in November, which was, how many months ago is that? February, March, April, May, June, July. Okay, so I found out about this 9 months ago, which when I say that out loud, that is literally crazy, because I remember in November I was at a meeting and I found out about it and I was like, what? Like, it wasn't 100% at the time. I was like, if this happens, this is going to be a dream come true. I'm just trying to think where to start, because there's so much to talk about that I just feel so overwhelmed, and because it's so weird to finally be talking about it like out loud, because it's been such a big secret. I've just wanted to like tell you guys and just been like, oh my god, this is actually happening. I have a YouTube management that obviously manages my YouTube, my work I do on my social media. It's an amazing management. I feel so grateful to be a part of it, and it's such an amazing team. So my management have launched the brand Noticed, and the influencers, and I say influencers because I don't really like that word personally, but I'm just going to say the people that you might watch on YouTube or you might follow on Instagram, some of them who are part of my management have also been a part of this project and have launched their own clothing line. So I think there's 9 on the website that you can view their collections, but there will be a couple more coming very soon, and we hope to sort of like expand Noticed and get more influencers involved, and you'll probably recognise a lot of their faces because you probably do watch them on YouTube or you do follow them on Instagram. It was really cool to see their designs because everyone's designs were so different, and each collection represented them and their style and what they would personally wear. So when it came to designing my own collection, it was really nice to focus on what was me. So yeah, we all had an opportunity to bring out our own clothing line, which is crazy to say, because if you said that to me when I first started YouTube, I wouldn't believe you. What was so amazing about this whole project is that we actually got to see all the behind the scenes, really be a part of it, and just to put our work into it and just make it how we really want it to be. What is so amazing about Notice is that it's recyclable, it's sustainable, and it's ethical, and it means that we're focusing on, you know, creating a positive impact onto the planet, because that is one of the main things nowadays that we're probably all wanting to focus on, and that is recycling. It's so nice to know that I'm a part of a fashion brand that is giving a positive impact onto the planet. Now I'm going to talk about the actual behind the scenes, and what's really cool and what I'm most excited about is obviously showing you guys the clothes, but I filmed quite a bit of footage when I went out to Portugal in January, and I've had them files in my computer for the longest time, it feels like, and I've been looking back at them like, oh, I just can't wait to show you all. I will be inserting the footage of when we went to Portugal, because that is when we went to the factories, which was such a cool experience because we really got to see the behind the scenes of how clothes are made. We also got put with a designer each, and this was where we could sit down and we could talk about my ideas, what I wanted to create. The designer drew loads of different like mock-up designs just so we could see what I was sort of going for. It was just a massive brainstorming day. We could basically let all our ideas out. I do have a lot of footage to share with you all, which I'm just so excited about, because I feel like when you actually get to see the behind the scenes of what actually went into this clothing range, it's really, I don't know, it's a really proud moment. I created a big mood board of photos that I saw just on social media, just things that I liked, things that I wanted to change, what I just personally wanted to create myself. All of the designers in Portugal were so lovely, they were so helpful, they just made my ideas come to life, you could say. Byron filmed a lot of the behind the scenes stuff on his camera, which was really helpful because he caught like moments where we were like planning, or we were drawing, or we were just chatting about our ideas, or just anything really. So I'm going to insert that now. I hope you guys enjoyed this little segment of the video. You guys have just seen the end result, which is the clothes, so now you really get to see what actually happened of how we got to the final stage, and I'll talk to you guys once these clips have been played. Enjoy! Oh, everyone's vlogging. Everyone's vlogging on our way to the factory. So, I hope you all enjoyed them clips from Portugal. I actually got to visit 2 factories when I was in Portugal, which was really cool because you got to see all like the machinery and just all the materials, and I was able to like pick out colours. So the second trip for Noticed was about shooting the clothes for the website and just for our socials to promote it all, and it was just, looking back on it, I literally have the biggest smile on my face because I just created so many memories. I had such a fun time with Anastasia and Haz. We were just all so hyper. We were like, oh my god, our clothes are finished. We just need to take pictures in them now, and they had a whole camera crew and a professional photographer. Everything was so professional, so surreal. There was such a supportive team when we were like shooting. It was such a proud moment just to see everyone in their final pieces. It was just the coolest thing ever, you could say. We flew out to Spain. It was really hot, the weather was just beautiful. We shot in an amazing location. I think it was a hotel, and there was different colours. There was like pinks, blues, like darker pinks, lighter pinks, and it was just the perfect backdrop for the photos. And of course I did film behind the scenes footage when I was out there. I'll also insert some footage that I filmed on my phone and just any pictures. Yeah, that trip was just such a highlight of my year. Obviously the Portugal trip was really cool, but shooting in the actual clothes was so surreal. I did vlog a bit, and I got some of the team to film me when I was getting my photos taken. It was like a proper professional photo shoot. Enjoy this Spain footage. So we made it to Spain. I can't get over this hotel room. I can't get over our view, which I will show you in a minute. We got in really late. I probably didn't get to sleep till like 3, and then I got up around 7:30, I think. So feeling a little bit tired, but you know, my excitement is overcoming how tired I am right now. Literally, I'm just so excited for today and just to get shooting in the clothes. Me, Anastasia and Haz actually all shared a hotel room last night. We had such a laugh. We like ordered room service at like 2. So yeah, it was really surreal when we got here. Today we're going to be uploading a lot of like stories onto our Instagram with like hashtag get noticed, and then tagging the Notice Instagram just to get sort of promoting it and giving people big hints that we're launching a clothing line. Let me just show you this view. Can we just like take a moment? I've never been in such a nice hotel with such a beautiful view. Anastasia and Haz have already gone down for breakfast, and they're heading to set now because we've all got like different schedules and different times for when we're shooting, either like single shots or group shots. Tomorrow is more about like videography. I'm going down in like 15 minutes to meet my manager Paige. We're gonna go have breakfast and then head to set, and it's literally only like 5 minutes from this hotel room, so that's pretty good. I've done my makeup how I do it like every single day because they said they want us to sort of do our makeup to what suits us. This is just like my everyday makeup routine. It's just sort of bronzy. I haven't put highlighter on yet because they've actually got a makeup artist and a hairstylist that will do that when we get there. I'll show you the hotel. It's kind of messy, so we're just gonna ignore that. This is the bed. Obviously it hasn't been made yet, but it's literally the comfiest bed ever. It's so big. And then over here we have a sofa area. The bathroom's through here and it's actually insane. This is the bathroom, an incredible sink.
escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm...
So I hope you all enjoyed the Spain footage. How cool was that trip? Honestly, the coolest thing I think I've ever done in my life. Now it's time to get onto the actual clothes. I'm going to be talking about the packaging it comes in, just any little details that I just want to talk about and share with you all. In the end, I designed 6 clothing pieces, which is really, really cool. It comes in this plastic bag here, and you're probably thinking, plastic? So, on the bag it says, made from 100% recycled plastic, please pay it forward and recycle this bag again, which I think is such a lovely touch to this bag. It's just nice to know that this has been recycled and you can recycle it again. On the bag here it just says notice, which is the logo, which you'll probably see on the website and pictures I've inserted anyway, but that is the logo, notice. I'm just trying to think what I should start with first, because I don't even know. I never thought I'd be hauling my own items. What the hell? This is what my first clothing item looks like. All of the tags which are on the clothing pieces, they say this tag was clothing and now it will become a flower. So you can basically plant this tag and it will become a flower. Like, how cool. So hopefully you can see, I'll do a close up, but there's seeds within the tag, which I think is like the coolest thing ever. On the tag it says noticed by Hope, and it's my little signature there, which is, when I look at this, when it first arrived I was like, am I seeing what I'm seeing right now? So it just says noticed by Hope, my little signature, and then if I just turn it over, hopefully you can see like the seeds within the tag. And then the main tag inside the clothing piece, it just says noticed by Hope. Again, it's my little signature there, and then just the size this top's in. Now we're actually going to go on to talking about the clothing pieces, why I designed them, just sharing them with you all, and I'll insert a try on clip as well. Obviously all of the clothing pieces will be listed and linked in the description box below, so if you do want to purchase any of my clothing pieces, then you can check the description box below and have a little look on the website and have a look at everyone else's collections, because they're all amazing. This is the first top. It's described as a sleeveless crop top. I love this design. I'm really into this sort of a tank top, and it's almost like a sporty style top, you could say, like the actual design. You can actually get this top in white or black, and I'll show you guys the white in a bit. It's the perfect length, it fits me so well. I got this in a size 8 for anyone wondering. On the front you've got this embroidered cherub. Now if you do know me, and if you've watched any of my previous hauls, or if you've just heard me say this, then I'm a massive fan of like my cherubs and like my angels and everything. This little embroidered print here just represented me and what I'm sort of into, and I feel like it just adds something, and it's just really simple but cute at the same time. These tops will just go with anything and everything. You could pair them with jeans, skirts, shorts. I feel like it's just the perfect little summer top, you know what I mean? And it's so comfy. The material is like, on all the clothing pieces, it's really good quality and it just feels nice against the skin. This is the cherub top but in white. I think this is so nice. With a tan this would look so good, especially for summertime. And you've got the cherub print on the front, embroidered. I've already worn this quite a few times. Like, I'm generally obsessed. I don't know why the lighting has gone so weird. These are the first 2 items. We've got these sleeveless crops with the cherub embroidered on the front. So cute, and like literally, what the hell, that's my name. The next top we have is this really cool star printed long sleeved top. There's lots of different features to this top, which is why I really like it. First of all, the print is super cool. We've got this really nice black and white star print all around the top. Now I really love the neckline of this top. At the front it has these sort of, it's almost like a little frill, and then obviously it is long sleeve. This material is so soft, I actually can't deal. At the end of the sleeve you have these 2 tassels, and you can basically tie them into like a little bow, which I just feel is a nice little touch to the top. Just add something. Yeah, you can like pull it to make it tighter, and then you can just tie in a little bow like so. You probably might have seen this top in the Get Noticed video, which I should have inserted in this video anyway, but I wore this with black cycling shorts and it looked really cool. It's super comfy, super cute. If you're into your styles, then you're gonna love this top. Those are all the tops. Now we're gonna go on to 2 of the dresses I designed and launched. The first dress is actually something which I'm currently wearing. How cute, I know. I designed a leopard print dress. If you know me quite well, and again if you've seen my haul videos and just what I've worn on my Instagram, you'll know I'm a massive fan of leopard print, so I couldn't not design something which isn't leopard print because it's just so me. I wanted to add my little twist on it, so hopefully if you can see in like close-ups, which I will insert, there's actually some, it's almost like spots of colour. So you've got like little spots of like purple and like this sort of light brown colour, and I'm obsessed with this neckline. It just is really flattering, I find. And don't you think the sleeves are just so cute, and they just sit on your shoulders just like really nicely. I just love these little frills. I just think they're really cute, and they're not too like frilly. They're just like a nice little frill, you know what I mean? And it's just comfy to wear. Like, I just feel really comfortable in it. You could wear this for a day dress, an evening dress. It's really versatile, and yeah, I just love my leopard print. If you're a massive fan of leopard print, then this is your go-to clothing item. On to the second dress, we have this zebra print dress. I feel like I've said dress so many times. It just looks like this. It is again a sort of fitted dress, so it fits to your body. It's quite tight fitting, really, really flattering. Material again, it's so lovely, and it's just this classic zebra print. Now I think this is really fun, really cool, and I wanted it to have a double straps, so that is what we did. So as you can see, there's 2 straps here. And I just think this is something kind of different. Instead of just having the one strap, which I found quite, you know, boring in a way. I know I'm going to be wearing it quite a lot because I feel like dresses are just like the main essential for summertime. It's just really easy just to throw on if you're just wanting to wear something quite comfy but cute at the same time. Comfy but cute. I feel like this is up there with my favourite clothing piece that I have designed. I remember when I was in Portugal and I was talking about how I wanted to design this certain type of clothing piece, which I'm going to show you guys in a minute, just because it is so me and it's something that I've worn quite a lot when I started getting into fashion, and it's just a look that I just really, really like and I'm a massive fan of. I created my very own flared trousers. I've hauled quite a few flared trousers just in past videos, and I've always said how I'm a massive fan of them, just what they look like and just how they fit your figure and just how flattering they look and just how they make your legs look really long. So I designed my very own flared trousers. I'm so happy with them. I feel like this is one of your guys' favourite clothing pieces as well, because I know a lot of you did actually message me saying I love these flares, I can't wait to get them, which made me so happy. Just to know that you all really liked it was just such a nice feeling. They're such a comfy pair of flared trousers, really easy to wear. This is what the top half looks like. Obviously you've got the label there, noticed by Hope. They both have a seam running on each side. So on one leg you've got this running seam going all the way down to the very bottom, and then it's just the same on the other side. At the bottom of the flares, obviously you've got the flare itself, and then you've got these little slits at the side. I think just adds something and adds more movement to the flares. I feel like they fit so nicely around the waist, just they fit your figure so nicely. They're amazing, perfect length. They will be obviously linked in the description box below if you want to go get yourself a pair of cool looking flared trousers that you can be twinning with me. Those are all of my 6 clothing pieces that I've launched for Notice. I hope you all love them as much as I do. I feel so proud and just happy that everything turned out how I wanted it to be. So far it's been such a positive thing, and I'm just so happy for all the other girls and their collections because they all look amazing. They've all done amazing. The website is so cool, and there is actually more to come, so this isn't just it for Notice. There will be future launches, which is really exciting, so stay tuned for that. I do want to say a massive thank you to all of you for making this possible. Like, I don't want to sound really cringe and soppy and you ought to be like, shut up, Hope. None of this could have happened without all of your support and you liking what I do and the content I create and the pictures I post. Like, none of this could have happened without all of you. I do just want to say a massive thank you because it's so overwhelming, it's so incredible, and never ever in a million years did I ever think I'd be making this video. I think that's all I have to say. I hope you guys have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!